Hello everyone, I'm Chris from Mini of Dutchess County, and today I'm going to show you how to install this key cap and lanyard for your car. Okay, so to start, we take our key here. What we're going to do is hit this side button to release the actual blade out. We're going to flip the key over. You could actually use the key blade to pop this cover off, or you can use a small screwdriver like this. Take this back cover off. At that point, this cover will slide off like that. You can take our then new cover with NFC chip enabled, slide that on, and snap our back cap on just like that. Now for the lanyard, we have this center button that has to come out. If we flip to the back, we see there's a center part here, which we can take a screwdriver to push out. We then take our blade key, insert into the hole like such. If we look inside, we make sure that this cap lines up correctly. Give it a wiggle till it fits, and insert it just like so, and we're all set. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give us a like on the video. Stay tuned for future videos. Visit miniofdutchesscounty.com for more information. DrivePrestige.com for the family of Prestige dealerships. Give us a call at 845-632-0911 for more information.